What are the different types of Medicare Advantage plans? Medicare Advantage plans can feel like alphabet soup: HMO, PPO, PFFS. It's enough to make you wish for the good old days when your biggest choice was chocolate or vanilla ice cream. Here's the simple breakdown. HMO, Health Maintenance Organization, means you pick a primary doctor and usually need referrals. Think of it like staying on the well-paved main highway. PPO, Preferred Provider Organization, gives you more flexibility. You can take the side roads, but it might cost more if you go outside the network. PFFS, Private Fee for Service, is where the plan sets the rules and providers decide if they'll accept them. It's like asking each restaurant if they take your coupon. SNP, Special Needs Plans, are designed for people with specific health conditions or financial situations. That's like a tailor-made suit. It's specific to you. Now, here's the catch. Not all these plans are available everywhere, and the rules can vary depending on where you live. That's why it's important to compare the options in your own ZIP code. At MedicareSelfEnroll.com, you can see all the plans available in your area side by side without an agent calling you, without a sales pitch, just you, your computer, and the facts. Because making the right choice starts with knowing what the choices are. Go to MedicareSelfEnroll.com to find the right plan for you. No sales pitches, no phone calls. Please share this video.